Hey my lovely cuties, welcome to my channel That Girl Zahra. In today's video I am going to share my favorite lipsticks from Mars Cosmetics. I have picked 5 lipsticks from them which performs best under rupees 300 only. So before buying any lipsticks from Mars Cosmetics, watch this video till the end to see the in-depth review and swatches of these lipsticks. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first I'm swatching Mars Cosmetics Matte Muse Mousse lipstick in the shade called Fierce Star 18, which is a gorgeous red shade I have ever tried. Just look at this stunning shade which suits all neon skin tone, and I have never seen such kind of red shade before. That's why I'm obsessed with this shade. This is basically a new shade in their collection. I have added this close-up shot so that you guys can have a look at how the shade actually looks like. Next is this non-transfer super stay lipstick in the shade called Royalty, which is a perfect brown shade. This shade is not too nude or not too bold, which makes it perfect for everyday wear. I just love this so much. This particular shade suits my skin tone very well. It's my most used lipstick ever. It's matte but 100% transfer proof. Once you apply it, it's not going to go anywhere, and it feels very comfortable on the lips, unlike any other transfer proof lipstick which feels cracky or dry. And what else we need? You must try this. Then I have their velvet lip tint from the Love Track collection in the shade called 7 Secrets, which is a newly added shade in their collection. They have recently added this. This is a very pretty mauvish pink shade which looks exactly like my lip color, which is a very rare find on any lip tint. You will never find such kind of shade in an Indian market especially, and you will get this under rupees 299, which is a great deal ever. It feels very comfortable and velvety on the lips. If you are someone who wear lipsticks every day and bored of that, then you must try this lip tint. It performs exactly like the high-end Korean tints, but under a budget. It's like 1/3 of that price. I highly recommend this one. Then I have their creamy matte lipstick in the shade called Grateful Ghumar, which is a stunning berry shade. This is such a pretty berry shade. Once you apply it, it will instantly going to brighten up the complexion and your look will going to look put together. This shade suits variety of Indian skin tone and gonna go with every attire, whether if you're pairing it with casual wear or traditional wear. It's under rupees 180, and इस शेड की जितनी तारीफ करूँ मैं उतनी कम है. ये शेड इतना ज़्यादा प्यारा है ना. It gives comfortable creamy matte finish. इसे अप्लाई करने के बाद आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा you have applied something. It's that lightweight, so you shouldn't miss this lipstick out there. Lastly, I have that drip lip mist, which is basically a lip stain only. I have in the shade called Cranberry Mist. ये shade ना मुझे basically celebrities nude kind of shade लगता है, because it's kind of similar only. Most of the celebrities wear something kind of this shade only. अभी ये थोड़ा dark लग रहा होगा because मैंने इसे बहुत दिनों पहले परचेज करा था. That's why you will get this under rupees 299. It's very long lasting. अभी आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा that I have wear gloss only, but not at all. After the gloss wears off, it leaves a stain something like this, which is not at all patchy and going to stay forever. It stays for whole day, and yeah, you must try this if you are looking for something like this. And yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like and enjoy watching this video. These are some of my favorite lipsticks from Mars Cosmetics which you can't miss. These are very affordable. I have tagged them on the tag product list and mentioned the link of them in the description box. So do try them, and yeah, bye bye, see you in the next video.